Have you ever spent ages trying to fix the formatting in a Word document and just couldn't work out why it was behaving strangely? Extra space appearing from nowhere, text jumping to the next page unexpectedly, indents that won't go away no matter what you do. In most cases, the answer is hiding in plain sight. You just can't see it. And that's what this video is about. I'm David, and this is Assumed Knowledge. Things you were expected to know, but nobody ever taught you. Now, I've got some example text here. On the Home tab, if you look at the paragraph section, there's this button there, the Show Hide button, a paragraph mark, or the Pilcrow, as it's sometimes called. Most people have never clicked it, or if they have, they turned it off again because it looked confusing. Let me show you what it actually does. Suddenly the document looks very different. There are symbols everywhere. Don't panic, these are hidden formatting characters. They're always there. Word just doesn't show them by default. Let me go through what you're seeing. First, the paragraph mark itself. There you go. I don't know why that 3 was there. Let's just type something else. And there you go. That symbol appears at the end of every paragraph. Every time you press enter, Word creates a new paragraph mark. And here's the important thing. That paragraph mark contains the formatting of the paragraph. Spacing, indentation, style. If something looks wrong, there's often a row paragraph mark causing it. Next thing is spaces. Every space between words appears as a small dot. And there's one, and another one. That's pretty obvious. This is incredibly useful for spotting double spaces, something that's very common when people paste text from emails or other documents. You can see immediately where there are 2 dots instead of 1. For example, if we go there, press another space, you see it's obvious. If we turn that off, it's difficult. Next, tabs. A tab character appears as an arrow pointing right. I mean, they don't belong there, it's just to show you what it looks like. Again, that's with the show hide turned on, it's turned off. People often use tabs to indent text or align things when they should be using paragraph indentation or tables. Once you can see the tab arrows, you can spot this immediately. And finally, section breaks. These appear as double dotted lines across the page with the word section break in the middle. Section breaks control page layout, columns, headers, and footers. They're invisible by default and cause enormous confusion when they're in the wrong place or when someone's accidentally deleted one. For example, if I delete that now, then there's some more text. If I undo that, let's turn the paragraph marks off. Right, I can't see what's causing that jump to a new page. Whereas if I turn it on, it's obvious. Let me show you a real example of why this matters. I'm going to turn this off again. And let's just say I accidentally put enter in there. There's an unexpected gap between these 2 paragraphs that I can't get rid of. So if I turn on show hide, there it is, an empty paragraph mark. Someone's obviously pressed enter by mistake. So delete that, got to put the space in, and there you go, the gap disappears. That's a 2-second fix once you can see what's happening. Without show hide, it could take 10 minutes of frustrated clicking. Interestingly, you can also toggle show hide with a keyboard shortcut. It's Control-Shift-8. Incidentally, this only works with the 8 on the main keyboard at the top. Does not work with a numeric keypad. There you go. Some people leave this on permanently when they discover it, which I do. I find it just makes it much easier. Others toggle it on when something looks wrong and turn it off again afterwards. Either works, it's just a display setting and doesn't affect the document itself. Now, to recap, show hide is one of those features that experienced Word users rely on constantly, and yet most people have never been shown it. Once you start using it, you'll wonder how you managed without it. If this was useful, please subscribe. I put out regular short videos on Word and Excel tips that most people were never taught. I'm David, and this is Assume Knowledge. See you in the next one.